Hi, this is another video of me, Shivam. And now I'm at home today making
Making what?
candy. So this is the whole recipe. I'm only seeing this in this book, so there's not much. So this is not all. There's more here that I could show later.
And can you share how you made the candy and what you made?
I don't know what ingredients, but I did sugar and then food coloring
and
then
vinegar
and
vanilla essence
vanilla essence
and water.
and water.
So 5 ingredients, right? Sugar, water, vinegar, butter and vanilla. I don't have thermometer, so I was using that Indian technique, ek tar do tar. that चाशनी. तो फिर जब 2-3 तार आने लगे थे, like I don't know, तो आप टच करके देखते हो between 2 fingers, and if it is forming some wires, 2-3 wires, that means it's ready. And
I know that.
I tasted it. It's yummy.
Okay, and from here I have also been collecting wrappers. I've been collecting wrappers, and this is how the candy is for now. But we'll still wrap it up, and then this is not all. Before wrapping it up, I also will have to shape it, bend it, like it says. You know, like just cut it and put it. We have to like bend it properly.
Say bye-bye.
Bye. This will be another video of me, Shivam, later.